Make yourself do a favor by pressing the red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. If you're planning on buying the OnePlus 6, then I've only got one suggestion for you. Press that buy now button as hard as possible. Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the OnePlus 6. The bottom of the box contains a little information about the device. On one side, we've got the tagline, the speed you need, while on the other, there is the OnePlus 6 branding. On pulling the top lid, which as always is the most satisfying part of any OnePlus unboxing, I'd like to take a moment to say that even though the packaging has remained the same since OnePlus 3, not appreciating these classic looks is a crime in itself. Inside the box, we've got the usual stuff, the OnePlus red and white colored theme, USB Type-C cable and the dash charger. Taking out the phone from the tray, we find out that the tray contains a protective case for the OnePlus 6 and some documentation. There is also a SIM tray remover. The paperwork includes a quick start guide, safety information and some OnePlus stickers. A thing that I found funny was the fact that OnePlus asks you not to remove this transparent sticker as it contains important information. This time, we've got the complete glass back design with designed by OnePlus and the OnePlus logo on the back. On the front, we've got a 6.28-inch display with a notch. For a full review of the phone, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Here are some other videos that you might like. Thank you for watching. Peace.